It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to show you how to get more questions on this Influence app. It's an app where you can get paid for video responses. They're not even long responses, and it's very easy to use. But a lot of times when people answer the questions, they're like, I can't get any more. So I'm going to show you how to correctly go about unlocking more questions and making more money with it. So you see here at the top where it says unlock more video questions. You're going to click on that, and I'm going to show you how to do it correctly so that more questions will pop up. And, like I said, you can continue to use this, every day. This, always works for me. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me into a survey. Now, you would not be paid for the survey, but, it's designed to get you into more video responses. And this is something you have to do, maybe just a few questions, and then it'll kind of take you back to the home page, and then you can see if there are more questions available. So I'm just going to go through and answer these real quick and then see what happens. And you see there I'm done. So now I go back to the home page, and I still don't have any questions. So I'm going to do it again. Try to unlock more video questions, because I think sometimes people do it. They'll do it one time, and then they realize they're not getting anything, and then they'll just figure, okay, I'm not getting any today, so I'll just try again tomorrow or the day after or whatever. But the thing is, you have to do it maybe, 2 or 3 times before you actually get, survey questions sent to you. So that's the most important thing. Don't just give up after the first one. Go back and, do it again, and keep doing it until you do not see that box for unlock more video question, because they will come. So again, just going to answer these questions, and then it'll take me back to the home page, and then I'll see if a survey pops up or not. So let me just finish this. And you'll see there back at the home page. So let's see if I refresh it. Right there, 6 questions, $1 per question. So that's $6 I can make if I just answer these 6 questions. And that's how you do it. So if there's no questions there, just unlock more video questions, and you still see the box is there if I want to continue to get more surveys. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to click on the box where it says the questions. You want to look at the question. You want to answer it according to, basically everything they're asking. So I'm going to click on Start Task. And for this one in particular, I have to do it like a little quick survey, but, it's not long, right before the video response. And then I'll leave my video response. Your video response has to be at least 15 seconds before you can submit it. So I'll fast forward this part just so, kind of cut down the length of the video. When you're done, you can play it back if you want to, but I just upload it, wait for it to finish uploading. And then once it's done, it'll take you directly into the second question. So, the same thing, just begin, look at the question, what if asking you, you click on Start Task, and it'll take you right to where you need to be. And for this one, I have to look at this picture for 5 seconds and then do my video response according to that. So I'm going to do that. Same thing, at least 15 seconds in the video response, making sure you can clearly be seen and heard in it. And then again, once you're done, just go back, upload it. And then from there, it's going to take you right into the third question. So that's just how it works. Very simple. I'm going to do one more just to, kind of show you this process is still easy. Just going through, going to click on Start Task, and it's going to take me right to where I need to be. I might have to look at another little page again. Yeah, look at this for 5 seconds, and then I leave my video response for at least 15 seconds. You can do it up to like a minute or a minute 30 in some cases, but, regardless, you just want to make sure you can be seen and you can be heard. So once I'm done with that, same process, I'll just upload it. And that's how I'll do it for all of these questions. I'm not going to do another 3. I got 3 more I can do. But like I said, just to cut down on the time in the video, I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this part. So you'll see here I answered all 6, and all 6 are in the pending status. So it could take a little while for them to approve it. Sometimes it can be quick. Sometimes it can take a long time. It really just depends on, whatever they got going on that day, I guess. But, the main thing is you just want to make sure that whenever you answer a question that you're clearly seen, you clearly heard, and whatever question you're answering, that you're actually answering it fully, because sometimes in the question they'll have 3 questions in one video response. So just make sure you're doing that in at least 15 seconds, and you can submit it and upload it and wait for it to be put into your account. You can cash out at a minimum of $10 via PayPal, and you'll usually get your money within 24 hours. So really cool, easy app to use. It kind of gives you a different vibe from doing the regular surveys. We have to sit there and answer questions. These are video responses, and they are very easy to get approved for, because I've never been denied for one. So The link to this will be in the description. You can sign up for it. You can put it on your iPad, your tablet, or your phone, or whatever it is, and start making this easy money. Always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.